Hello everyone, I'm Akshay Sehgal and this is my project for my course Natural User Interaction as a part of assignment 3, and I've worked on some cool new tools, that is Dialog Flow and Unity, to prepare an application that is what we call it. It's a speech assistant for COVID cases. So the user can interact with the application to ask for cases, to get the information about the world, about the countries, about states and counties with specific timelines. And all these are incorporated using these two tools, which is like Dialogflow for the training and modeling of the situations and cases, and other is Unity, which is our user interaction section and works with interact with the user to receive the command and give back the output. So right now I'm going to divide my application into I'll give a demo of the application and I'm going to divide it into four parts. So I'm going to talk about the countries, states, county specific things, and countries with timeline. So this is my dialog flow. I'm going to run some random commands to see the outputs generated, and later on we are going to do the same thing on Unity. So let's see what commands we have. So if we go with a simple hi, so hi, the system replies how are you doing? So that's the default welcome intent that's coming into play. The name of the intent is here. So let's ask about the stats, world stats. Okay, so we get a response. There are currently these many confirmed cases, deaths, and 0 patients recovered from COVID-19. This is 0 because our data set has 0 in it. So otherwise, it will be the value which is in the data set. So okay, this was about the world. What other things we have? Okay, so let's talk about what about latest deaths. Okay, so now it's gonna get only the deaths. Good. If you talk about countries, let's give an example. So I have some commands which are already there. I'm just going to copy paste them. Where are the countries? Yeah, let's take this command. Okay, the system gets the data as per the latest data. The Spain, these many confirmed cases, and for Germany, there are these many confirmed cases. Same thing we can do for other countries also. Let's do for all the stats for India and Japan. Okay, for India, it has confirmed recovered deaths, and for Japan, it has confirmed recovered deaths, and I think it is picking up one more country, that is and. So we have to train it a little more. Okay, so let's move on to states. How many deaths in California? So it's gonna return for the state specific. So there has been 1721 deaths. If we talk about county, let's go. How many deaths in Orange County, Florida? Okay, so there has been 30 deaths. So this can also take compound kind of queries for the counties. Let's see this one. So we have 2 counties in this specific query. Let's run this. So we get the cases for death for Monroe County and for Peoria County. So this is how it works, and let's go to some timelines. So timelines is like since when the work happened. So we have the timelines for various things. Okay, let's see how many cases in US since April 20th. Let's go. I don't know why the suggestion looks. Okay, so since April 20th, whatever date we end, yeah, April 20th. So we have 12,787 deaths. So that's quite accurate when it comes to timeline. Also, we can have like how many cases since yesterday. So it picks up a date which is one day behind us. So if you run this query, you can see there's a date 26th April. So today is 27th. So it automatically picks up a day, one day behind us. Also, there's a unique feature like we can also consider for last week. So it picks up all the cases in the prior week. Okay, so in India there has been 10,275 confirmed cases in the last week. I've incorporated one more feature which is like since when. So since Monday, since Tuesday, since Wednesday. So this command, okay, we can modify this command to work with since. How many cases in India since Tuesday? So this is the last Tuesday it is considering, and it's gonna give us the cases. Okay, so there has been 77,810 confirmed cases. So if you enter Monday, like today is Monday, so it's gonna take today and it's gonna give 0 because there is no reference of number of days. So yeah. Okay, so these were like some of the instructions, and yeah, it also handles the what you call it. Okay, some command which the microphone is not able to understand. So if we hear something like blah blah blah, so it's like blah blah blah. It's like I wish I could laugh out loud too. So this is how, I mean, it's kind of interacting with the user, and it's kind of conveying that it is not getting the name of the country or whatever the user is trying to say. Next we have is, I think we are pretty much done with all the scenarios. So yeah, we are done with the countries, with the states, with the county specific data, and with countries with timeline. So let's go and move on to Unity, and let's see how our application interacts with the user. So this is our Unity application. I'm going to pause it so that I can start it again. Okay, just clear this thing. Let's start. So once it starts, it gets the token from the Google, and it's going to connect with the Dialogflow. And when you press record, it's going to record your query and will give you a response. Okay, let's see. Hi,
Good day. What can I do for you today?
tell me about the world.
There are currently 2,972,363 confirmed cases, 206,568 confirmed deaths, and 0 patients recovered from COVID-19.
So you can see when there is a response, the user is talking, and when there is no response, he is just standing. And when you are speaking, it is kind of acknowledging that it is listening to you. So that's how it is. So let's see more commands. How can we, play with it with some few more commands? What are the number of confirmed cases in Germany and France?
As per the latest data, for Germany there are 157,770 confirmed cases. For France there are 111 confirmed, 57 confirmed, 149 confirmed, 401 confirmed, 18 confirmed, 417 confirmed, 6 confirmed, 38 confirmed, 175 confirmed, 160,847 confirmed, 1 confirmed cases.
Okay, so for the France, it is going into a loop, and this is what I was about to discuss about it. So our data set for countries like United Kingdom, Canada, France, there's a multiple entries in the data set, and when the application code runs over the data set, so it reads it again and again, and then try to fetch the confirmed cases, and in the process it replicates it. So right now the application is working fine for the countries which are like standalone countries and which is not. Let's go. So next command is, how many died in Japan?
As per the latest data, for Japan there are 372 deaths cases.
How many new cases in India since yesterday?
As per the latest data, for India there are 0 confirmed cases.
How many deaths in US since Tuesday?
As per the latest data, for United States of America there are 10,437 deaths cases.
How many new cases in India since last week?
As per the latest data, for the given time period for India there are 10,275 confirmed cases.
How many died in Alachua County and Orange County, Florida?
As per the latest data, in Alachua County there are 2 deaths cases. In Orange County there are 30 deaths cases.
That's cool. So now moving ahead, I think I've covered almost all the points. So yeah, this is how the system works. So some commands I covered through the dialog flow and some commands through the Unity. And in and out, we try to cover all the situations that are provided in our assignment. Thank you.